Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to take a brief look at GoldenPi platform for bond investments. Well, when we talk about investments, we must talk about risk factor as well. There are various market segments we are all aware of which carry almost nil to zero risk investments such as bank fixed deposits, recurring deposits, National Pension Scheme NPS, Public Provident Funds PPF, and so on. Almost all above mentioned are not linked to stock markets, hence your risk is low and so are your returns on investment. And then there's one market segment in investment which is much more to be explored in Indian market, which is online bond investment. We all know this for sure, higher the risk, higher the returns. These two are directly proportional given one's own ability to take risk. Today we can take a look at GoldenPi, an online marketplace where we could buy online bonds issued by government, corporates, so on, and we have corporate fixed deposits as well over here. Let's go ahead and open GoldenPi platform. I am going ahead and just search goldenpi.com and here we go. Here it is. This is how GoldenPi homepage looks like. You can see the highlights scrolling on top of the page which are ongoing IPOs so that one can take a quick look at those. You can see various segments that are available on GoldenPi without any login. Now I am just going ahead and log in, which is available on top right of the page, and entered my credentials already, and here is the home page we have here. Here's the different type of investments in Discover tab. I am just going to take a look at NCD IPOs tab. Once you've gone through IPOs tab, you can see various IPOs that are listed in bond investments. You can scroll down for more details for FAQs, videos from experts, and so on. At the moment we have only one, which is India Bulls Commercial Credit Limited, which earns us 10.5% of interest, whereas typical FD earns 5 to 6%. But that interest rate does varies on series that we choose, guys. We will have a look at that as well. Let's take a look at Series 7 of the series. Let me just open that, and here we can see all of the details of that particular series, such as interest rate, tenure, payment term if it is monthly or yearly or cumulative at maturity accordingly. You can see the credit ratings as well from credit agencies like CRISIL. I see a rate to see how secured the bond is actually. AA rating explains it is much secured bond. On the right-hand side, you can see actual cash flow like your returns and date that you would receive your returns and investments. You can also see how you can customize your investments and check your returns accordingly. You can scroll down for the key highlights of this bond, and details about issuer, and return comparisons with our typical FDs and so on. Let's take a small look at corporate fixed deposits as well we have now. You can see here Bajaj Finance Limited is issuing fixed deposit of interest varies from 7.11 to 8.2% depending on tenuity we choose on. Let's scroll down more and we can see more details like maturity value with tenure, and all in a nutshell over here. You can go ahead on home page and explore more bonds that are already available to invest upon, and on left hand side you can choose your investment purpose such as whether it's for tax benefits or short-term benefits, and then you can see more filters based on credit ratings, issuers, expected yields, and so on. Let's take ECL Finance Limited and check the details. But guys, not all the bonds have less investment to jump on. Few like ECL has like minimum investment like more than 10 lakhs and will be providing good and secured returns on investment. That's all for today, guys. I hope it is useful to at least few people who are about to step into this segment.